WS Electronic Descaler. Reduce energy overspending, maintenance, and water by preventing buildup of hard mineral scale in pipes and various equipment. Solution benefits to nature. Benefits for business: cost reduction, reduction of downtime, easy to implement, payback period is usually 9 to 18 months. Benefits to people: cleaner air, cleaner water, cleaner soil. Water is used in production in our homes. The water contains mineral salts. They gradually deposit in the pipes and in the equipment. 1 millimeter of limescale is minus 10% of the efficiency. When heated, the deposition of salts is much faster. Limescale on the surfaces acts as an intermediary. To heat or to cool the water, we have to heat the limescale first. Due to limescale, business and households have heat energy and fuel overspending. Business cannot clean equipment too often. Factories should work, even with energy losses. The business is constantly balancing between losses due to limescale and downtime and cleaning costs. Can we completely avoid such losses? The losses can be reduced. Some maintenance is still needed. Overall, expected results: much shorter non-production downtime, much less heat energy and fuel overspending between cleanings, high range, signal transfers for 50 to 100 plus meters by pipe, high reliability, no moving parts, wide range of the models, from domestic to big industrial descalers. WS Electronic Descaler. Reduce energy overspending, maintenance, and water, with a care for nature, business, and people.